Yeah, good evening, one and all. So, welcome to this closing session of national level competition on finite element analysis. So, first of all, we'd like to thank you all for being part of this first season of this national level competition on finite element analysis. Actually, this event we have started almost 1 year back. So, with the support of management committee of SAEINDIA Southern section as well as with the idea of some venture. So almost we have started in the month of August 2023. So we have conducted initially 3 briefing sessions at different time patterns. So followed by we have asked the students to register for the event. So we have almost 50 plus registrations in the first season itself. And in fact, we have limited the registrations. Among the 50, 42 students have turned up well. And we hope that all the students who are part of this national level competition got benefited related to the knowledge of finite element analysis, which is essential need in the recent times. As you know that the industrial scenario is changing. So the skills related to finite element analysis for mechanical engineers, not only related to automobile engineering, but other spheres of engineering like aerospace engineering and structural engineering, this finite element analysis tool has become very important. So having knowledge related to this tool is going to help you a lot in your career. So don't think that this is going to be the end of this training program. Please continue learning this finite element analysis and keep ahead of whatever the recent developments that are taking place in this finite element analysis. So with this brief introduction related to this competition, now we have in this valedictory session. So Dr. Sukumar from Head of Industries, Mr. Armstrong is the past chairman of SAEINDIA Southern section, and Mr. Starvin from University College of Engineering, Nagarkoil, and Dr. Hariharan from Shastra University. So we have, I'd like to welcome these persons as So before going in detail into certificate distribution as well as the criteria for assessment, now I'd like to call upon the judges who, first of all, I'd like to thank the judges. So Mr. Vivek as well as Mr. Ambarasu and Dr. Mani from Sairam Engineering College, as well as Vivek and Ambarasu from ZF Industries to be part of assessment for this competition. So now I'd like to first call upon, start with Dr. Sukumar. So please say a few words related to this competition.
I know you most for the 6th month we are interacting, correct? So we started with the workshop 1 and the workshop 2. Okay, so we started with the basic analysis of structural mechanics, then followed by model analysis. Again, we thought of vibration. After that, we started again thermal simulation and physics and all of these. Okay, even we are doing the assignment 1 and 2. After that, again the second workshop we given the assignment 3 and 4. Okay, so our interaction is very much. And the thing is, even today I have seen that even small things, even that you have made small mistake in that unit, okay, that it makes so much impact in the research. So since you are the mechanical engineering students, we should work on that, the basics and the fundamentals. Okay, so what are the input you are going to give with the mechanical analysis? Anyway, the software will do the output. Okay, but whether the output is more realistic or not, so who will judge? Okay, that calls for the fundamentals of the engineering, like engineering mechanics, strength of materials, design, even including the material science also. Okay, so I have seen that even if you made small mistake in that unit, okay, for instance of MPA, if you're going to put Pascal, so what is the impact on the results? Okay, that aspect you have to do more effort on it. Okay, this is not the what Sarport, Sarport, this is not the final assessment. Okay, so we have to keep continue to learn in finite element analysis. Not only the finite element analysis, the engineering mechanics, strength of materials, design. So these are the core subjects we have to make it more strong in the fundamentals. Okay, so even if you take that industries, so the interaction between that institution and the industry is more important. So my request is you have to keep learning. Okay, don't leave it that finite element analysis is one of the key area. So nowadays the industries are moving towards that digital twin. So do you know what is the meaning of digital twin? So without doing any physical development and validation, we have to do it everything in the virtual validation. So it will reduce the cost, time as well as manpower. So in this aspect, this is one of the major tool or main tool, you can say that, to finite element analysis. So using this tool, we can evaluate all the structural mechanisms. So not only structural mechanisms. So nowadays, that finite element analysis is penetrated in electronics, electrical. You know that Maxwell, ice bags, a lot of electronic cooling systems are using for ice bag, and in Maxwell tool for electrical motor and e-mobility side they are using for Maxwell. So a lot of opportunities are there. So my request is you have to strong in fundamentals and keep develop your basics, the engineering mechanics, the core subjects, and do some trainings like the FEA and even some mathematical modeling tools like MATLAB, Simulink. Even nowadays, the people are talking on Python scripting, and so we have to keep learning all the things and make it more successful in your life. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Sukuman. Now I'd like to request Dr. Armstrong. So from University of
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. So, I've seen a few years of this competition. First of all, I'd like to congratulate all of you, right? My sincere appreciation all of you. See, competition, our competition is completely different from others, right? We used to teach the students, we train them, we make all the students to learn and then ask them to compete. This competition, so that by coming here, you can understand what's the need of the industry, what's the current trend of the industry. Like this is a forum, you can interact with the industry personalities, you can interact with other college students. See, I can see the first success of this program is, I can see a lot of students from other states, like Kerala, Andhra, right, from Kanyakumari, right, a lot of students from all different parts of southern section. Students are coming here to participate, right? So they are participating workshops for last 6 months. They are working hard on this FEA. So I like this intent, right? You all guys are already proved you have self-motivation, right? As sir mentioned, you should practice. You should practice about ANSYS or any CAD modeling or any CAE. Learning about the software is easy. Icon-based learning. The fundamental thing is where you apply, how you apply. Right? When we discuss about this post-processing and all, first of all, you must understand the engineering, not the software. They're not here to evaluate your software, they have engineering skill. How you approach the problem. What you expect from this problem. Right? What you must have that idea what will be the result. In what direction you have to contact. Then only you can understand where the boundary condition will apply. Right? You must system engineering, you must understand. So keep on practicing. Upskilling is what the need of the work. Always you have to continuously improve your skill level, right? This competitive work here, right? Changing, the environment is changing just like that. Softwares are coming and going, right? So not only stick on with whatever knowledge you are learning is, you can say, right, handful of knowledge. What you are learning is handful. This big good person, right? So you have a lot of potential right now. I can see it, right? A lot of potential, but don't stop learning and keep on practicing. Definitely, you can achieve, right? So another one, our SAE vision is generate knowledge and share knowledge, right? I ask you guys share your knowledge. Whatever you learn here, you can share this knowledge to your friends, your juniors, right? So that you can motivate your surroundings also, right? Enlighten the idea so that they too can grow along with you, right? Okay, it's all this. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Arvind, for your nice words. Now I'd like to request the lead champion of this event. Yeah, so then I'll come back. So now I'd like to request Dr. Mani from SAEINDIA Engineering College.
So first of all, thank you, SAE Southern section, for giving this wonderful opportunity to judge young minds. This is the first time I'm coming in for this kind of activity, this kind of events to judge. And by seeing the projects or things, whatever you made today, A thing is, perfectly how to use the software skills. There is no doubt at all. Whereas the problem is how to utilize or how to understanding the basics. That is the main thing. Because n number of tools are there to solve the problems. But the basic understanding only plays a role. So tool may be a tool. So you can use any kind of tool to solve FEA or any kind of problems. Whereas the basic understanding, the basic concepts, if you thorough with that, you can use any kind of tool. And you have to be confident in the basics. Only basics plays a role. Right, with that, I thank you for the opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you for your nice words, sir. Now I'd like to request Mr. Vivek from JDF.
So, good evening, everybody. So, it's quite tough to speak at last because all the points they have covered. So, I have to think and talk, right?
You're not the last.
See, this opportunity is like I can be with different generations. Okay, for example, Dr. Mani was teaching me when I was doing my master's, so I am getting connected to him. And Mr. Sugma is my immediate manager, so I am connecting with him and all the panel members. They are all from different regions, like one is from the college and one is from the industry. All those people, we are getting connected. And to be frank, we're all here. You're already a winner, okay? Because you already you're taken the first step. As I said earlier, you've already taken the first step, and you are quite apart from all the people who are not joined here, okay? So take that into mind, and like winning first prize, second prize, or third prize doesn't matter. It's just a token of appreciation, okay? The thing that you have to take with yourself is that what you have learned and how you are going to apply it in your job or maybe in your wherever you are going. If you are going to start an organization, what are the things that you want to apply that has to be learned, and this is a perfect forum for that. Okay, so basically SAE is a platform to get connected, and as he said, share and get knowledge. Okay, so these are the things, and who knows, you all can also be coming here and giving a lecture, and I can right now I'm following some of you, and you guys are giving some small lectures and programs in your own colleges. I can see that. So that's also a first step, and that confidence and that opportunity, all these things, this particular learning will give you some boost to do that. Okay, somewhere or here this will help. So that's the major intent of programs like this. You have to learn, and still I am learning from you all guys, because few things you are teaching me, and maybe probably I would have taught you something, so that will be useful for you. Okay, so keep learning and enjoy learning. Okay, thank you.
Thank you for inspiring words today. So now, as mentioned last, so Mr. Omar Asaya, please, from JDF. So he's part of this, and who is the youngest among the jury? Yeah, please.
Good evening, all. So it's a great opportunity for you guys to learn more, to grow more, to think more about the engineering and fundamentals of engineering mechanics. So it's a very great opportunity, and wish you all the best for your future success.
Thank you. Now I'd like to request Hariharan.
Thank you. Maybe a few words. Finite element analysis, that has been our journey, if spoken enough. If you have to take back two messages from what has been discussed till now, fundamentals, digital twin. Fundamentals is needed for us. Digital twin is probably one of the two. Now, what did we observe in general? Like he said, you have all taken the first step. That's good. That's the right way forward. You moved the first step. Now it's up to you to develop more on that. Obviously, we have some feedback. We will share that feedback with you. We'll tell you how we are going to share that with you in a structured way. Hopefully, we had a good journey together. I saw some of your feedback. We hope we'll keep in touch with you. Right. Thank you. Sir, may I request Mr. Armstrong to recognize the contribution of our judges. We start with that. Mr. Vivek. Dr. Mani. Mr. Anwar. Dr. Starvin. We would also like to acknowledge the twin role of Dr. Sukumar, and Dr. Naidu for the twin role. Right. Thank you. Dr. Naidu, you can.
Yeah, more please. Yes.
Please do that. Armstrong, sir, please go. Sir.
Yeah, please. Yeah, please. Yeah, actually, so the lead champion behind this national level competition on this finite element analysis, Dr. Hariharan from Sastra University. Please.
May I request Mr. Armstrong to recognize the contribution of our judges, please. We will start with our judges. Mr. Vivek. Dr. Mani. Mr. Anwar. Dr. Starvin. We would also like to acknowledge the twin role of Dr. Sukumar, and Dr. Naidu for the twin role. Right. Thank you. Dr. Naidu, you can.
Yeah, more please. Yes.
Please do that. Armstrong, sir, please go. Sir.
Yeah, please. Yeah, please. Yeah, actually, so the lead champion behind this national level competition on this finite element analysis, Dr. Hariharan from Sastra University. Please.
The more awaited thing, they
Yes,
want their
understood. So without any delays, but one small, before announcing this prize distribution, we'd like to hear your feedback. So it's a voluntary,
Maybe a couple of
whoever
feedback.
interested, you please come forward, share your experiences about, we have started long time back, your workshops, your GCR, your online sessions, as well as today's competition. Please, it's a voluntary thing. For team wise, any one person from any team. Yeah, please. So anyone would like to share? So your I think you have shared you have finished your Google form feedback, right? So apart from that, we'd like to hear physically from you. So that's a virtual thing, right? Anyone?
Guys, if we are not giving, then we have not done anything.
Just come forward and say something.
Yeah.
Good. So experience.
Yeah, please.
So experience was very good and all the.
Yeah, first introduce yourself.
So my name is Pranav and I'm from MIT Pune. And yeah, like as I said, the experience for the competition and all the workshop was overall good. And the instructors were very easy to understand. And yeah, we got really good knowledge and for the research papers and all the things that I have applied. Yeah. So,
Thank you.
So anyone would like to do? Anyone from otherwise I'll list out the institute names. Yeah, from one lesson. Yeah, please.
Hi guys, I'm a second year student. My seniors convinced me to join the team.
It's a great thing actually. Yeah, please.
I essentially got a jump start on FEA. We have it in next year, so essentially I'll be acing that subject without even studying. So I have to thank my seniors for that. And apart from that, I had to learn this from scratch. It has been very easy. I mean, I literally had no knowledge of what finite element analysis was. But with the help of my seniors and the people around here, I've gotten more than basic knowledge of what it is. I'll have to improve, obviously. There's a lot to improve upon myself. But yeah, this is a wonderful opportunity for myself and I believe for you guys. So yeah, thank you.
So anyone from S7? Yeah, so you're from S7. Anyone from MIT? MIT Chennai? Yeah, please.
So, hi guys, myself, Paradras from MIT Mumbai. So, this competition was an amazing opportunity. So, what happened was this competition made me look back the last 3 years of my college. So, what I understand from what I took from this competition was basics was everything. So how much more software you know, how much more faster you can do a CAD model. It doesn't matter if it breaks. So my one takeaway from this competition was be strong on your basics, and it will lead you to it. So
Anyone from Kerala?
You're a big country.
Yeah, actually, the 2 teams from Kerala, right?
Yeah, we are a big country. Sir, you have to call by their college.
Yeah, please. Yeah.
My name is Kamala. I am from Government College of Engineering, Kannur. And this is my first time coming to Chennai and participating in such an event. And through this event, I have learned so many things. Apart from the online workshops, through this presentation, that time sir have given so many information about FEA and also. And we haven't participated in the offline workshops. So it's our first time and it's a wonderful opportunity to participate. So thank you team for giving us as a opportunity.
Happy to have you here.
Yes,
Yes,
thank you.
thank you. Anyone else?
So the other one was...
Yes, Palakkad. College of Engineering, Palakkad. Yeah, here.
Good evening everyone, myself Nur Dagas from University College of Engineering, Nagpur. First of all, I like to share something to be frank. Okay, as a friend, actually I learn subject to pass exams. Okay, basically parents are moreover our institution are trying to pass people. Yeah, most of our thoughts are we going to get over it. But even though I also passed FEA like that for getting pass mark, but coming here I learned several things, and whatever I learned in second year and third year, it comes and helps me to in FE competition after working and analysis. And that's the main thing what I feel. And thanks for the opportunity for the sirs who have taken classes from me. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So thank you all for your wonderful feedback on this event. So actually, we would like to hear from you. So because this is the first season, and immediately in the month of June, probably. So we are going to release the second season, and we are requesting you to, as mentioned earlier, so by our jury. So we are requesting you to share your knowledge with your juniors and spread the message across different colleges that so competition is happening in SAE, so which is going to be beneficial for your careers, right? And in fact, which makes you industry ready, right? So with this, now I'd like to move to the next item, that is prize distribution. As mentioned by Mr. Vivek, so there are no winners and no losers in this event. Everyone is a gainer. So before attending this event, you are nothing in finite element analysis. And after attending the event, it doesn't mean that you are everything in finite element analysis, but you have learned some aspects related to finite element analysis. You are definitely something. You have some knowledge related to finite element analysis, right? So you have gained. So only this prizes are something. It's something like a relative performance. Okay, as you know that it's a relative grade, right? Yeah. In these few words, now I'd like to invite Mr. Armstrong so to distribute the prizes. So the past run of the SAE Southern section. So now I'd like to call upon, and others I would like to ask others to join. So first, I'd like to go from the bottom. So as mentioned, so the criteria for assessment is, so we have given 4 assignments, 200 marks for each assignment. Total is 800 for assignment marks. In the final event, today's event, we have given, as mentioned earlier, it is 1200 marks. So that total, we are evaluating it for 2000 marks, right? Among the 2000 marks who are got the total highest will be the first one. And as mentioned earlier, we are giving 3 prizes, first prize, second prize and third prize, followed by 2 more prizes for best presentation for one and the best analysis for another, right? Yeah.
That's independent of whatever mark you get. If the jury was convinced, they have put in good work and they have tried their best. Whatever is your level, you were able to do it well, and whatever was your presentation, you were able to defend well. The overall mark is different, these 2 are different. So we have included 2 more.
Yes. We are going to share those marks within a week time, right? For all. So first of all, so I'd like to call upon the team who got best presentation. So it is Voices 2.0 from University College of Engineering, Nagarkoil. Ansili, Akash, Mahesh, Remington. Certificates. Yeah, it will start. Better to give to each person.
Yes. Do the best.
So now it is for the team. The prize is for best simulation or analysis. It is team Akutsuki from Madras Institute of Technology, Chennai. Yeah. Now coming to overall position. So now I'd like to call the third position. So the third position, so third place, or the third place. Yeah, it is Team Mesh Masters from SRMIST. Michael, Rishi Kumar, Arshit, Joel Nitin, Francis. Yeah. Yeah, now I'd like to call upon the runners. Yeah, students, please put your hands together to the runners of this event, MIT Academy of Engineering, Team Blitzkrieg. And finally, so the winners of the season 1. So it is once again Team Akatsuki from Madras Institute of Technology, Chennai. So please put your hands together to welcome them. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Right? So once again. Now I'd like to call other college students as to receive their participation certificates. So, University College of Engineering, Nagarkoil, please come forward. Next, Government Engineering College, Palakkad.
Please be seen that we didn't tell you about the prize money. We'll tell you that.
It's a Government Engineering College, Kannur. Yeah, please distribute. Please MIT Academy of Engineering, Pune. SRMIT. MIT Chennai. SSN College of Engineering. SSN College of Engineering. Ahmed Akmal Bey. See that?
Later also.
SRM Kodapalli. Hyderabad Institute of Technology and Management. Right? So the first prize is for 20,000, second prize is 15,000, third prize is 10,000. And best simulation as well as best presentation will have 2,500 rupees each. So total 50,000 rupees. And that amount we are going to credit that into your respective account.
Yeah, you
which
have
you are
a
going to
sheet
submit.
which you are filling up.
So you have to submit it. Right?
Thank you.
Actually, I registered for this SAE FEA event previous year, and today it's the event. Actually, during this event, we have gone through various industry level simulations. in assignments and the tasks, through which we can understand like how in industry they are actually simulating any part or an instrument. So it's a good understanding and it.
Same college.
So, Hitam, Hyderabad, from Hyderabad. A lot of things also. That's it. And we can able to analyze the real world problems also. So they gave me a good opportunity to perform this. Thank you.
Your college?
Hi, I'm Iswan. We have experienced a lot of things from SAE, India. They had teach us a lot of things that we haven't known in industries. It is the best experience to having this event. Thank you.
College Palakkad. We have successfully completed our finite element analysis competition here, and we have attended 2 workshops here, and the travel was a bit hard for us because it takes almost 9 hours and 12 hours to reach here, but we really enjoyed, and also we could learn so much about ANSYS, and we got many opportunities to meet with industry persons, and it was such a wonderful experience for us.